Welcome to part 3. So now she's chopped everything. She's chopped fishes, she's chopped ginger garlic, spring onions, cabbage, and raw papayas and carrots. And some lettuce also. Now she's cooking. She's ready to cook. She's adding water to a big pan. Now the water is perfectly boiled. She's adding lettuce, spring onions, papayas, and carrots. And she's adding the fishes, the chopped fishes.